Okay, so, we've got these fractions in there, and we don't really want those. So we're going to get rid of the fractions by clearing the fractions. We're going to multiply the equation by the LCD, which is 12. So you're going to have 12 times 1/4, which is 3c squared. You're going to have 12 times negative 1/3, which is going to be minus 4c. Think about how many times that denominator is going into 12 equals, and then you're going to have 1 over 12 times 12, which is just going to be 1. Now, it's still not quite in standard form because it's not set to 0, but we can subtract the 1. So 3c squared minus 4c minus 1 equals 0. Now it's in standard form. We don't have to worry about dealing with the fractions. Now, if you're asking yourself, but sometimes we have to deal with the fractions, why don't we always just get rid of the fractions? You can only clear the fractions if you have an equation. So this is an equation, and that allows us to multiply both sides by the LCD. Okay, so this is A, this is B, this is C. Here comes the formula. Everything goes where it's supposed to. So it's going to be the opposite of B, negative 4, plus or minus the square root of B, negative 4, squared, minus 4 times the A times the C, which is negative 1, all over 2 times A, which is 3. All right, so we have 4 plus or minus the square root of 16. It's going to be plus 12 over 6. I think I picked all the ones that have the most simplifying. 4 plus or minus, the square root of 28 over 6. But then that's going to be 4 plus or minus, well, 28 is 4 times 7, so you can take the square root of 4, which is 2, times the square root of 7, all over 6. Well, there's a factor of 2 in the numerator, so 2 times 2 plus or minus the square root of 7 over 6. And then you can cancel the 2 into the 6. It goes 3 times. So you're going to have two answers, 2 minus the square root of 7 over 3, and 2 plus the square root of 7 over 3. Now, they don't always have this much simplifying. Sometimes they're done like right at this step because it's a prime number or something, but it just depends on what they give you.